Hey, this is today's trade recap. It is Monday 20th. So basically at the start of the day I was bullish. Main reason being, where did everything go? Main reason being we have obviously this huge dump due to Trump, this huge news dump. And obviously that news was fine. And we also had this huge buy up that did go below previous day wick, but obviously it got eaten up and we did close above. So I did think that would continue to the upside, um, especially starting with the next week. And the candle we were already looking bullish, especially if you look at 4 hour structure. I could see it up till around here, here, and then I just saw this getting eaten up. Um, but yeah, I was pretty bullish. Um, because we also took out this low here too from Tuesday. So I thought that we would want to go up, especially after getting that rejection work down. Um, okay, and then so now for the trade. So obviously all of London session we did climb up. And I did want to continue that. I wanted to see some manipulation down um into New York before my trade mainly. So essentially what I wanted to do, so I was looking at price. Price just kept on pumping and pumping. So I was looking for an OTE setup here. Um, and as you see, there was actually a perfect OTE setup that you could have gone in on, but I did not see this. So we'll hide all of this here. Let me hide all of it. Right, okay, so now basically what I was looking for, I saw this OTE from swing low, and then essentially I was just looking for a good retap into retrace. Um, we didn't get that obviously. I wanted an OTE like down here, tap tapping down here. There was a couple aligning PD arrays, but obviously we just didn't go that low. Um, so I think it would have been better. So we're obviously in this giant imbalance here. There's also this uh for value gap right here. There is, I think if we scale down on the 1 hour, even more. Yeah. So there was also this fair value gap too. I mean, sorry, this order block and this for inverse. Sorry, this for value gap for price to tap into. Um, yeah, that was mainly what I was going off of. And then if you scale down to 30 minute, there's also 30 minute. Um, yeah, another one here. Value gap right here. So obviously we had a lot of aligning PD arrays in this area. So essentially what I want to do, I wanted to see us, so we were right here at the time. I wanted to see us, where is the pencil? How can I find it? Hmm, I don't know where oh, it's right here. Yeah. Oh, no, it's not. What? But yeah, basically what I wanted, I'll just use the trend lines. So we hit this peak here, and we did get this displacement down, but I did want to see some more chop, just just to see us go more down here. Let me get Ray. So, oh, not Ray. Let me see. Yeah, but I wanted to basically I just wanted to see us tap into this area, and then I would have looked for more precise entry with my 1 minute AMD standard deviation. Um, See, we had this accumulation, manipulation, and we would distribute to the downside. We did have that, but so if we mark out this AMD standard deviation, yeah. So I was probably gonna target somewhere here. Um, but yeah, like it was I would say it's pretty decent setup for what I had. I had a decent bias, but we just didn't go there. Now on to the trade I could have taken. So it also includes VWAP. So let me just put VWAP in here. So if you look in the 15 minute, if you draw the OTE like so, OTE from here, here, OTE. So look, obviously we get that perfect. Oh wait, let me just fix this up. Yeah, so we get that perfect tap in to 0.5 level. On top of that, we tap in this for value gap 15-minute inverse. I mean, sorry, CE of that. We also have this 1 hour breaker block. We have yeah, mainly those two for high time frame. Um, we don't have we don't have anything really for high time frame other than 1 hour, but 1 hour is enough. And on top of that, if you also look in the thing, I believe it's 15 minute. No, no, it's 5 minute, 1 minute. In one of these, there was a bounce off the VWAP. So I am curious. I remember seeing it. Let me also do SMA. Oh, okay, yeah. So we got a bounce off the SMA actually. So SMA, we got that. We tapped in, got that bounce. So this is a pretty good setup. And if you look on 1 minute, there would obviously be an entry here. So you could probably get in. You could see this wick, and you could do something like this, where you draw this out, and you can use a wick retracement. I don't have the defaults, but there is a wick retracement tool you can use. Go like this. You can have a 5 point stop, and you can target high. So obviously that's like 200 points. But yeah, that's just going over. I'm gonna learn a little bit more about VWAP and SMA and all those indicators because it did prove to be useful today. Um, and I think another thing for me to work on is just more back testing in general. I think I had a pretty good bias here today. Like obviously I couldn't predict where price was gonna go, but I did have a rough idea of what it was gonna do. It did have that manipulation downside before it had that huge distribution up. If you look on 5 minute, here, wait. I mean, sorry, but 15 minute. So yeah, so we have this accumulation, and you can see this manipulation distribution. But yeah, thanks for watching.